Okay, we'll go through the data types that is available in PLSQL. So there are four major types. First is scalar, large objects, composite, and the final one is references. So these are the four major data types that is available in PLSQL. So first thing we can take is the scalar. It is subdivided into four types. First one is numeric, that is number. Next is character, then boolean, and the last one is date and time. So these are the scalar type, like basic structures. Then large objects like blob and b file, it will be going on. So these are used to like store big files, blob and b files. And next is composite, like percentage type. It is used to store the record set of a table, and also you can go for tables too. Next is reference, which is going to store the pointers. Okay, now let's see the basic thing like scalar. First one is numeric in the scalar. Like the numeric, we have different types, like it can be represented as number, integer, int, real, double, float, etc. So in these many ways we can get the number values. So there are a lot many. Okay, there are much other things too. Okay, this is the basic thing about numeric. Then we can go to the characters. Here basic thing is char, varchar2, nchar, a row ID, and it continues. These are some basic things you need to know. Okay, next we can go for boolean. Boolean, like it will take true or false. The data type it will be using to fetch true or false. And the last one is date and time. Here some types like date, timestamp, year, month, then related to timing, second, hour, minute. So like that it will be carrying on like related to. Okay, then we will see how we are going to use this statements, like how we can use all these data types into our PLSQL program. So first, initially I'm going to declare a variable which is yes, and I'm giving the data type as integer. Then I'm giving, okay, let's print initialize the value and print the value which is in the integer format. So now just I'm running this statement, and let's check. After entering end, okay, running the statement, the output is 10. So that is what we have given here, and then I'm changing it to the number, for example number of 2, and I'm giving the 2-digit character which is 10. Now I'm checking the output, which is like okay, it comes often like invalid SQL. Ignore this, and I've just click the run again. Okay, you get the output as 10. Now, given number as number of 2, let me check whether the 100 is giving an output. Yes is equal to 100. I'm getting an error like I'm giving a precision value which is too large for this, because I given number of 2, only 2 digits is allowed here, so it is generating an error. Now I change the digit into 3 and it is giving the output as processed and 100 is printed. Okay, now let me check the varchar. So I'm changing the data type into varchar of 2 and introducing the single quotes because it is a varchar. So I'm getting the output as 100 here. So let me check again using 1000. So it is generating an error because the precision value is larger. We need to give a larger value for precision. So I'm checking with 33,000. The maximum value for varchar 2 is 32,767. So I'm trying with 33,000, which is again generating an error. Now I'm changing it to 32,000, which gives me the answer. So you cannot give the precision value greater than 32,767. So let me check that too. So okay, 767 it is. I'm getting the output. If I change into 768, let me check what it is happening. So it is saying that the value should be between 1 to 32,767. So you cannot cross the value of 32,767 for this particular data type varchar 2. Okay, now we can check with the date. So to assign the date, you just call the function sysdate of. So it will assign the system date to the particular variable, say yes. So we can print and check. So I've got the system date as today's date. Okay. Let me check this with the timestamp. Okay. So to call the timestamp, current underscore timestamp. It will assign the timestamp to the variable yes. So we can check. We got the timestamp too. Okay. So we can create all sort of variables like this. Like for example, I'm creating the boolean variable h and other variables. You can assign the value true. We can check that yeah, it is accepting. Other variables like character, no, it is like a character, sorry, yeah. Okay, just to check whether the data type that we have shown is correct or not, I'm checking. Just we can run. Yeah, everything is working fine. These are the data types that is available, and checked with some of them.